Good morning, Ma'am Kazel. My topic for today is talk about differentiating elements and compounds. And elements. Elements are pure substance that contains of only one type of atom. They cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical means. Example: hydrogen H, oxygen, gold Au, and iron. What is element? Elements is substance of only one type of atom, and they listen and periodic table elements and can be classified on two groups and based on precious metals and non-metals. What is atom? An atom is an element is a substance of only one type of atom. The lesson on periodic table elements can classification on two groups based on their precious metals and non-metals. And what is compound? Elements that combine and show chemical reaction of new product compounds or two or more elements. Two or more elements combine chemically in fixed properties which one can formula. A compound is element that combines chemical reaction to new production or two or more combined chemically properties which can be presented by formula. Compounds definition. Compounds are substances formed into two or more different are chemically bound together in fixed ratio. Examples: water H, water hydrogen, sodium, chloride, NaCl, methane, CH4. Characteristic: formed by chemical reaction, composed of two or more elements, have properties different from their contains elements. Can be broken down into simpler substance by chemical means. Ang nag-compose sila og duha or more. Nag-compose sila of duha or more elements. Compounds. Water H2 essential in RGO and daily life. Salt NaC1 used in flood prevention, especially in coastal communities. Methane CH4 production from artificial. Nag-combine din sila teacher og duha or more pa na elements. Tapos ang elements sa teacher kay ang elements is a substance of only one kundi usara jud ang one type atom. An element is substance of only one type of atom. Kanang dibalik kanang siyara mo'y only murag siyara kanang only ra nga one type of atom. They are listed into periodic table. Elements can classification in two, so duha ka groups. Mag-base sila on their precious metals and non-materials. And what is mixtures? A mixture is contains or duha ba or more elements or compounds not chemically combined together. And those have the same chemical priorities. Methods that separate mixtures that do not involve chemical rotation. Number 1, filtration. Number 2, crystallization. Number 3, simple distillation. Number 4, filtration, distillation. 5, comparatorily. K-differences. Ang ilang ka-differences. 2 further, there are tables summarizing and K-differences. Example, future, composition. Element, only one type of atom. Breakdown, cannot be broken down by chemical means. Chemical bond, no chemical bond with a single element except in molecules like O02 representation. Chemical symbol e.g. O oxygen, priorities, range in priorities. Example, gold Au silver Ig carbon C. So, thank you for watching, Ma'am Kazel. O, thank you po sa paglanto sa akong video. O ako nga sa itong teacher kay, ang elements kay, ang elements kay, only one of type of atom. Ang elements kay, kanang only na siya nga one type of atom. O ang compounds kay, duha or more, two or more atoms. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.